The disease of the 21st century. That is from page 97 of my book, Stay Home and Sell. I'll read it to you, and then let's talk about it. And I'll help you understand how you can overcome this. So, information overload is the disease of the 21st century. That's what I call it. And here's what it's all about. I'm reading from the book now. Your prospects and customers are overwhelmed and overloaded with way too much information. Many of them are skeptical and jaded. Trying to give them more of it is not the answer. So, more of it means information. Their brains are so full they can't take another idea. All of the choices only confuse and frustrate them even more. They need someone to ease their pain and make complicated things seem simple. That's what you'll do when you give them the right examples, stories, concepts, and metaphors. This makes it easier for them to understand the advantages that you offer. Many salespeople confuse information with communication. They tell them too much too fast. Instead, use stories, examples, and metaphors to win their trust and build a connection. Spoon feed your sales pitch to them and strive to leave them wanting more. Create and build irresistible offers that stack as many benefits as possible. Tell them why you're willing to give them so much for so little, and then follow it all up with a bold guarantee that lets them feel as if they have more power than you do. So that little formula right there. First of all, let's talk about the disease of the 21st century. I blame the internet for this more than anything else. But right, wrong, good or bad, the internet did change the world forever. And nowadays, people just have way too much information, and it's commoditized anyway. Information has become a commodity, and commodities don't have very much value at all. And so, if you're a salesperson, if you're a marketer, you need to do something different than what everybody else is doing. Don't give people information, and if you do give people information, make sure it's information on all the reasons they should be doing business with you as compared to everybody else. But telling stories, using the right examples and metaphors, that makes it easier for people. And all you really want to do is prove to people that you're the right choice anyway, and that by them giving you their money, they're making the right choice. And do everything possible to ease their pain. So many people, they think that giving people information is the right idea. And part of what we teach is information marketing. But a big part of that information, again, is just all the reasons why you are the right choice for them. Telling them your story, getting personal with them, making that strong connection with them, so that they can put their faith in you. And selling the dream, whatever that dream is. Every salesperson that's been doing this for a while, or marketer, knows that it's all about the benefits, not the features that we need to be selling. And what is a benefit? It's the end emotional result of what they could potentially get when they buy your product or service. It's the dream, and our job is to make that dream real. In this case, with our clients, and I'll just put it out there to you, what we're selling is a system. We're teaching our clients how to build automated sales and marketing systems that generate an endless number of the very best, most well-qualified leads of prospective buyers who are practically standing in line with money in hand. And it's an automated system that works just like a money machine. So that's part of our dream that we're selling. That's what we're making it real to them, telling them how they can essentially have their own money machine that just cranks out an endless flow of automatic money that brings them all of the very, very, very best prospective buyers in their market who are already heavily pre-sold and ready and willing to give them their money, or give you their money. So if you're one of our clients, you're learning how to do all of this. And granted, there are many pieces to it, including information, because we want to be that trusted advisor. We want to be the experts. We want to position ourselves so that we are the right, people flock to us because they know that we can perform and we can deliver on all of our promises. But the heart and soul of it, those promises have to be communicated, and it has to be done in a more emotional kind of way. In this case, just to give you an example of the way we do it, the way we're making that dream come true is we're comparing what we do to a money machine. Now, who wouldn't want to own a money machine? Imagine that. You've got a money machine, just cranks out all the money you want. You need more money, just turn up the volume on your money machine. It's a great visual analogy. It's part of the dream, and also part of the dream is having a faster, easier, more effective system that just generates sales and profits, so that you can avoid all of the headaches and hassles and problems and frustrations that other small business owners and entrepreneurs are having to go through. So find a way to do that with whatever it is that you're selling. Use our methods, our strategies, and do realize that people are they don't want any more information. They can't handle it. And unless it's the information on how giving you their money in exchange for whatever you offer is going to give them all of the biggest benefits that they want the most. So thanks. I hope something I've said here in this very short video has made a difference. If you're one of my clients, I'm very grateful for you. You're learning all of this. If you're not one of my clients and you want to know more about what we're doing, click on the link below, and bye for now.